everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Now I'll show you how to backup contacts to Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A24. Alright, the first thing that you have to do is go to Call menu. And then click 3 point on the top. And then click Manage Contact. And you have to export the contact first to your internal storage. And then click Export. And then click OK. Alright, the second step is go to Google Drive. And you have to create a new folder on the drive to back up the exported contacts. Alright, I'll give the name as Contact. Alright, click Create. And then you can upload the exported contacts. You know guys that the function of backing up contacts is that when you accidentally delete your contacts, you can restore them by importing them from the drive. Like this. And now you can restore the contacts by importing them from the Samsung files. Go to internal store. And then go to download. And then go to contacts. And click import to phone. And the previously deleted number will reappear in contact menu. Here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.